Good morning, everybody from Arequipa in Peru. I am Mackenzie Nelson. If you are new here, welcome. I have signed on for another tour here in Peru that wakes you up so early. This one's not too early, about 5:45 right now, and I'm gonna go see some salt flats. Yes, there are some salt flats in Peru. I really didn't know it either. My friend recommended this tour. And since I couldn't make it to Bolivia on this trip, which I really wanted to see the salt flats there, I decided I'll just see the ones in Peru. And you get to go to like hot springs and little small villages and whatnot. So it should be really, really cool. They're about to pick me up. Ooh, it's windy and cold, but we just made it to like a lookout, a mirador of 3 volcanoes. One is active. The really big one behind me is active. There's this little one right here, and then this one back here. The 2 small ones are not active. Here we are at the beginning of the salt flats. Altitude here is 3,828 meters. So it's definitely not like the salt flats in Bolivia. There's like no lagoon at the moment. They said that in like October, November, that's when the lagoon happens. Like where all the water fills up and it has like that mirror effect. But at the moment there is no mirror effect. But this is a lot of salt if you think about it. A lot. I kind of want to taste it. Is that gross? That's probably really gross. These are like the rainbow mountains, the color mountains of Arequipa. And this is a volcano that you could climb. Actually, in like 2 hours, they said it was really easy to climb.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away.
The lagoon, or the salt flats, sit at 4,300 meters, and it's pretty chilly. I'm worried about getting sunburnt because I didn't put any sunscreen on today, and my nose is so cold. Maybe the frostbite will protect my nose. It's more like chalk than salt. I'm gonna taste it. I feel gross for doing that. It's a little salty. There's some kind of animal.
Okay, your right hand is the vicuña.
This is a vicuña. It's a main animal of Peru. Not the llama, not the alpaca, not the guinea pig. Vicuña.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
We've come to a mirador, or lookout. You want to see?
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free.
It's explaining the difference between a llama and alpaca. A huge question people have when coming to Peru is how to tell the difference between a llama and an alpaca. So an alpaca is shorter and llamas are taller. And llamas also have multiple colors, often 2 colors, and alpacas are only 1 color. There's a baby llama right here because he has 2 colors, brown and white, but then the rest of them are alpacas because they only have 1 color. And he's also telling me there's many different dishes to eat here with alpaca. So sad. I guess I only eat alpaca though, not llama. Welcome everybody to the thermal waters. 5 sol entry to here. Oh, it's so cold. So cold outside. The temperature is what? 25 degrees Celsius. Not warm, but warmer than outside. Hello everybody, and just like that, I am back at the hostel. A little sunburn, very tired and very stinky. Was the tour worth it? That's my question. It was 80 sols, and then the entrance to the thermal pools was 5 sols. So 85 in total. Not too bad for like a full day venture. Oh, lunch was 12 sols and breakfast was included. It was really fun. It was different for sure. I feel like if you were going to Bolivia or know you're going at some point, maybe just save the salt flats for there, or come when it's October, November and there's like the lagoon with a mirror effect, because I think that would be really, really cool. So I think I spent my day well. But anyways, other than that, I am going to take a shower and rest because I'm tired and I have another full day tour tomorrow, which is like the most popular thing to do in Arequipa, which is gonna be the next video. So make sure you look out for that. Like this video and subscribe to continue with my journey through Central and South America. I'm going home very soon and so sad, but I have so much more to show you guys. So subscribe and follow along for the new adventures. But it's fun.